What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, as you read the title, we are going to talk about reversals, about how we can catch reversals. So if this interests you, make sure to stick till the end of the video to get the most value out of it. But before we start, make sure you're subscribed to the channel to not miss out on future uploads, and feel free to share and like the video. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I always make sure to reply to every single one of you. Also, make sure to check out my free signal group on Telegram. You can do that by clicking the link down below. I send signals over there every single day, so you can join it. It's for free. And also, if you want to learn my strategies or book a one-on-one session with me, you can do that by DMing me privately on Telegram. You have my Telegram username down below as well. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. How can we catch reversals? So first of all, reversals are pretty hard to catch. I'm not gonna lie. I know there's people that claim that they can catch every single reversal. That's not true. Okay, we can try to predict the market, not to predict, to react to the market, being okay, the market showed me this. It means that we might have a reversal here. Okay, this is how I want to approach this. I'm not approaching it, oh, the price is here, I am predicting that the market will do this. I'm predicting that the market will do this. No, this is wrong. If this is your approach, then trust me, it's not going to work for you. You will lose a lot of money and it will never work for you. Okay, so reversals can be catched, okay, but you have to react to the market, okay, to what the market shows you. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I like to look for to be like, okay, I might have a reversal here. I might be able to catch this on a smaller time frame and make some good profits with it. Okay, so first of all, I like to check the market on the H4. Okay, and I'm gonna take this example since it's very recent. Okay, I'm gonna take this example since it's very recent. So I know that AUD/USD is in a downtrend, okay, overall on the H4, and now it had a small retracement. Now, when do I know that the price will reverse and then go back down? Okay, so if I want to see this, I want to react to the market. I want to react to what the market shows me, and that's exactly what I will show you here, exactly the things that I am looking for. Okay, so I'm on the H4. Okay, I'm on the H4, and I just wait, I just play the price, and I see this. I see this on the H4. I see that the market created a higher high, but on the RSI we can see that we have divergence, and this for me is the first check mark to be like, okay, we might have a reversal here. We might, okay, I'm not saying this is a reversal, we might have a reversal here. What I like to do after that is go to the H1, okay, sometimes even lower, but for this example I'm gonna keep it on the H1. And on the H1, what I like to see is I like to enter twice, okay, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So my first entry will be based off a candlestick pattern, which is going to be a more aggressive entry. So all I'm waiting for is a candlestick pattern, and this will do it for me. Okay, this is a pin bar ish candle. It's not perfect, it's not looking perfectly, but it's okay for me. I'm gonna take it. It shows that the bears took over the bulls right here, and I would aim for this low right here. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend to check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals, and this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. Okay, if I want to swing, if I want to be very conservative, I could aim for this liquidity here for a nice 1 to 2, but I would like to aim for this low right here because there's a lot of liquidity sitting beneath, so I would more than likely like to aim for this. Okay, this is how I like to mark the liquidity. This would be my target. Okay, so this is my aggressive entry. Look, I will have a 7R, which is very good. Now for the second entry, what I would like to see is a very small break of structure, which would be this one right here. I would wait for this to go, for this higher low to go on the H1, and after that I would wait for a small retracement and get into another sell. Let's look if we get this, and check this out, we got stopped out. So this is exactly what I wanted told you. I wanted this to happen to tell you that for this type of strategy, when you want to catch reversals, you want to give your SL more of a breathing room. Okay, I know it's very tempting to place it right above it because it's going to give you a big RR, but it's very important to give it some breathing room. I would place it, to be honest, around here. I would take this week as my reference point, and this would give me a 3.5 R. But if you want to be more aggressive, you could place it around here as well. Okay, that's also fine. Okay, but let's say I will place it right here where I said initially, and I would aim for a 3.6 R, which is still good. Now let's see if I get the second entry. Okay, so very important is to give your stop loss a bit of a breathing room. Do not place it right above the wick for the first entry, okay, for the candlestick entry. Now the second entry, let's see if we get it. Let's see if I get a retracement. Looks like I don't. Is it going to be a straight take profit? Yeah, it's gonna be a straight take profit. So let me see if I can show you guys another example. And yeah, we do have one right here. We do have one right here, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I would approach this one with the both entries. So as we can see, we formed a RSI divergence. So this is the first step. But as I said, this can go south. This can go literally up, smash your stop loss, and continue up. I'm not saying that catching reversals is easy. I said that you can catch them and you should follow these steps, okay? In my opinion, this is how I like to approach it. So the first things first, I want to see a divergence, and then I go on the H1 and I enter aggressively, okay? Because I do two entries. As I said, I do two entries, aggressive one, and then the second one, I would wait for this structure right here to go, this small higher low structure, and then I would wait for a small pullback and enter after a candlestick pattern. That's the more conservative approach, the second entry, but I like to do both because sometimes the market just throws me a candlestick pattern and then it just flushes, you know, and I don't want to miss out on that. So that's why I do two entries and I split the risk, okay? But again, it's up to you. You can do only one if you want to. It's up to your risk tolerance. So let's see. Let's wait for a candlestick pattern. I don't really like this one. I would like to see it close in full. Let's see if I can get another one. If I get 3 in a row, then that's 3 black rows as my candlestick pattern, but we don't. So let's just move on. And this would be my first entry. Okay, this would be my first entry. I like this bearish momentum. And let's see if I can scroll to the left. I have this level right here perfectly, which is pretty much a double top, but I'm gonna place it right above this one. Okay, so that's gonna be my stop loss. I'm giving it a bit of a breathing room, and to be honest with you, I would give it a bit more. I would place it around here, okay? And I would aim for these lows right here because there's a lot of imbalance in the market, so I would expect this imbalance to get filled. So that's going to be my target, which is a 4R. Now let's see if I can get the second entry as well. I want to see a clear break. And we actually did broke above or below here, but with wicks. Okay, so here I would consider to wait a bit longer. I want to get a full close below that level, unless I get a really good candlestick pattern of this retracement level right here, 618, 764. That's my area of entering the trade. Let's just delete this because it's getting too noisy. And as we can see, we got a doji. So I would enter here. I would be aggressive. I would take the risk, even though I didn't had a full closure. But if the market closes below it fully and then retraces, then I will enter again. My stop loss is going to be where I set the initial stop loss as well. Okay, I'm giving it a breathing room again. and my target will be the exact same. And on this one, I'm gonna have a much better R, 7.28. Sometimes it's the opposite. Sometimes I get the best R with entering aggressive with a candlestick pattern, but sometimes it can retrace very close to the top and will give you even a better risk to reward. Okay. Before I continue with the video, guys, if you are looking for a broker to trade Forex with, indices or crypto, I highly recommend EuroTrader. You can sign up with them by clicking the link down in my video description. This is the broker that I am currently using. I had no issues with it. They offer spreads as low as 0 pips. They have different account types, leverage up to 500, and their customer support is amazing. They have credit card withdrawals and deposits. Everything is very professional about them, so that's why I highly recommend you guys to check them out. Okay, so link is down below. Feel free to sign up with EuroTrader. So this is going to be my second entry right here. Okay, we broke the structure now successfully. Let's see if we will get the third entry. And now I'm going to place the fib from this high right here instead. Okay, from this lower high to this lower low. And let's see if we get the retracement. Looks like we are there. Let's see. And I don't like this candlestick pattern. I'm not gonna enter the trade there. Let's see if I can get another candlestick pattern. See, I wasn't rushing, and look what happened. Perfectly. No, still not valid. Still not valid. I'm still looking for a candlestick pattern. If I get the third consecutive red one, I'm gonna go for it. And yeah, 3 black crows, here we come. So I'm gonna enter the third entry right here, again with the stop loss where the initial stop loss was, and then the take profit at the same target, which would give me a 7R-ish trade. So we have 2 7Rs and 1 4R. So in total, we could catch 18R if this goes our way. So now let's just play the market and see what happens. Let's go on a bigger time frame to not wait that long. And as you can see, all the targets were smashed successfully. Okay, so if you want to trade like this, you have to be very patient and very disciplined, because I know some of you will get very aggressive and not even wait for the second confirmations and only get based off the divergence. Trust me, it won't work. It won't work. There's going to be a lot of divergences, and if you don't follow up with what I showed you here, with checking candlestick patterns and then break off structures on the smaller time frames and then enter with the retracement, it won't work. Okay, so we are here to react to the market and not predict it. This is something that we all have to understand, and nobody can predict where reversals are going to happen. Okay, trust me, there's nobody that can do that. Okay, so all we have to do is react, and this is how we can react. This is personally how I like to do it. So yeah, I really hope I help somebody with this video. Make sure to go and backtest it, okay? Before using it on a live account, please use it on a demo. Take your time, backtest it, watch the video as many times as possible, and yeah, give it a try, okay? It will work if used correctly, of course. But you gotta be very patient, okay? You gotta be very patient and do not overtrade. If you want to be more conservative, then stick to only the conservative entry. Wait for a break of structure on the H1, then for a small retracement, and then get in. But don't get mad if sometimes you won't get it. Sometimes it will happen as this one right here. I will just get a candlestick confirmation, I will enter, and then boom, straight into take profit. But sometimes you will get the conservative entry as well, okay? So it's totally up to you. Me personally, I like to split the risk and take both entries, but now it's totally up to you, okay? That being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave me a like if you did, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.